Summer nights, flashing lights, everybody out on the dance floor singing. Give me love and give me life. When the DJ's spinning, everybody out on the dance floor singing.
Hello my lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for clicking on this video. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, turn on your notification so you will be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Also, I want you to please visit sassover55.com. The link is going to be in the description box for you guys. It's a skincare website where I will be sharing a lot of information with you about starting your skincare journey, things that I have used that made such a difference on my skin. That's what this website is all about. There is a loyalty and giveaway tab. When you click that, it's going to give you some information on the giveaway. I have 10 Sephora gift cards to give to my subscribers. All of the information is on my website. Please, I don't want to make this video too long. If you just click on the website, I'm going to leave the link below for you guys. Click on the link and it's going to tell you everything you need to know about the giveaway that's going to be coming up. And that's going to be happening in the next 4 weeks. And I'm going to give you guys more information as we go along. But it's going to be great. It's going to be 10 Sephora gift cards I'm going to be giving out to 10 of my YouTube subscribers. It's just a way to say thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you for supporting. And it's one way of me celebrating my birthday by giving back to you guys. So I really hope you guys will take advantage and just engage with me on my website. That would be absolutely wonderful. We are going to be getting into this video today. I have lots of things to share with you. So let's just start talking. Now, I always say, when we talk about skincare, I always say to you guys, never, ever, ever, ever use bath towels on your face. Because, you know, there's a reason why, you know, they've got face towels in the store. So these are face towels that I picked up from Walmart. Listen, if you want to go fancy and buy a face towel for $100, go ahead. But these, I've got another one which I'm using right now. These face towels are 97 cents each at Walmart, okay? And when you see that they're starting to fade or turn color, use it to wash your floors, clean your windows, clean your bathroom, toss them out, get yourself another one. So I picked up a whole bunch of these. When I saw these, and it says 97 cents. I was like, what? So I had to ask the sales girl. I said, is this the right price for these face towels? So she said, yes. And they're good size. They're nice and soft, just regular size face towels. And again, 97 cents each. Run to Walmart to get these, and always use face towels on your face, not your body towels. It's just nasty, okay? Just don't do that. And I also picked up, this is a Himalayan bath salt. I do my bath twice a month just to keep myself, you know, just to keep the joints moving, to just help me with my stress level, because I've got so much going on right now. So I always like to have my bath, like I said, twice a month. And this is Himalayan bath salts. I mean, most of them says that anyways. And it's 100% pure, all natural, unscented. And of course, it helps with muscles and joint pains and physical stress and irritated skin and la 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 la. So this is it right here. And again, this is from Walmart. Okay, I've never used this brand before, but I always just buy the generic Epsom salt when I'm doing my bath. But this one looks really good. It's the Bubbly Organics. That's what it's called. And don't forget to pick up these beautiful face towels from Walmart. Okay. And I do have a photo shoot coming up for sassover55.com. I'm so excited, but I'm trying to hold back on my sugar intake, but I just can't seem to stop having that bowl of ice cream at night. So I thought, you know what, just get some help, Odette. Get some help. So I picked up these body shapers. These are from Walmart, and this comes in a 2-pack. And I picked the 1X, and these are, here's the price right there, $16.97, and you get 2 of them, okay? Normally when I'm buying body shapers, I always get the large, but I thought, you know what, let me get the 1X. But then I tried it on, and it fit just perfectly. And when I'm buying body shapers, I always like to look at the waist just to make sure the band is not too thick. And the stretch in this is amazing. Lots of stretch. I tried this on and it looked really, really good. And of course, you do have the little bum section to the back right there. And this is such a good deal, guys. You get 2 of them for $16.97 from Walmart. When you go into Walmart and you take your time and you look around, you can find some really good deals. And I'm gonna tell you, a 2-pack for these, it's unbelievable, because normally body shapers are so expensive. And again, you get 2 of them for $16.97. Run to Walmart and get a pair of these. And I picked up these beautiful flip-flops. And I got these are a size 8. Most of the shoes or slippers or flip-flops from Walmart never comes in half sizes. This is a size 8 and it's white. And I got this because I love the little bling thingy on the straps. I'm not quite sure if you can see it because I know with my ring light, but the straps has a little bit of a bling. Hope you guys can see that. There you go. Hope you guys can see the little bling on there. And it looks so cute on your feet, and it's firm enough, and it doesn't seem like it's going to pull to rip anytime soon. It seems to be like a really solidly made sandals. Wear it in the house, on the beach, and I'm planning to wear this to work, you know, on those really hot days on a Friday with a pair of jeans. Yes, and again, this is a size 8, okay, from Walmart. And I picked up this quad eyeshadow. This is what I've used on my eyes today. And this is from Hot Candy. And it's really nice. It's not too bad. Because I did my makeup earlier because I had to go to an event. And so I'm just kind of dressed down at the moment. And I took my eyelashes off. So this is the eyeshadow. It's really, really nice, but I'm gonna come back and do another makeup look for you guys using this. And I love the colors because it's like a beautiful green and like a moss green, and you got two matte colors as well. It's very, very, very pretty. There it is here from Hot Candy. It's really, really nice. Love this. Again, from Walmart. Next, I do have this lipstick from Black Radiance. You would have seen this on Instagram. Oh my God, I am loving this nude lipstick. One of my favorite nude lipsticks is from MAC. It's called Photo. That is one of the most incredible, beautiful, nude brownish lipstick ever. Then I discovered Wise from Rare Beauty, which was, to me, the ultimate in nude lipstick. And then this one here from Black Radiance, I thought, wait a minute, just when I think I found the most perfect nude lipstick, another one comes along. So there is always so many brands that, you know, that I just want to be able to explore. And Black Radiance, I think, is one of those beauty lines that is such an underdog in the beauty industry. It's not very popular. You don't hear it a lot. But when you buy their product, it is so good. This lipstick is amazing. And I use this with Mahogany Lip Liner. It is incredible combination. Love it. And this is a Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder. I love this so much. It has a little bit of a red undertone. And I used this in last Sunday's video where I did my flawless makeup. It is really, really, really good. Yeah, like I said, it has a slight reddish undertone to it, but very, very, very nice. So we do have some in the cover. So let's just put this on my face. It is just so nice though. I mean, you can use this all over your face if you want to. And to me, it just mattifies everything. It looks so good. I definitely need to explore more of this brand, Black Radiance. Their powder is amazing. You don't really have to go in with too much of this, but my face looks really good. And like I said, I used this in last Sunday's flawless makeup video. It was just amazing. And you guys heard me talk about this before from Laroche Posay. This is their matte moisturizer for oily skin. And I gotta tell you something. If you watched last Sunday's video, your skin prep before your foundation on really good, clean, healthy skin, your makeup is going to fly, I'm telling you. And this was one of these products I use on my face because this allowed my makeup to remain mattified all day. Or no oil will ever seep through my makeup, and I had that on all day. It was so good. This is one of those brands, it's really worth exploring. No parabens, no dyes, no alcohol, none of those nasty stuff to clog your pores. It is so good, and I really highly recommend this. I've been using this for a while. It is so good. Plus I have also been using their cleanser as well for oily skin, and I'm gonna tell you, the products helped me so much. It doesn't strip my skin down, doesn't make it harsh, doesn't burn, anything like that. Just soft, beautiful, supple skin. So I will basically use my cleanser, use my facial scrub or whatever it is I do in between, and then I go in with my moisturizer. My skin is just perfect, okay? That's why I say to you guys, if you want to have healthy, beautiful skin, follow my lead. I'm recommending really good products for you guys. I'm also using their body wash as well. And this is just a regular body wash. It's a good size tub. And all you need is just 2 little pumps, and this lathers up so much. So good. And your skin feels like you just came out from the ocean. Fresh, clean, beautiful. And I thought, you know what? I am going to be sticking to this for as long as possible. Amazing brand. This is the body wash, this is the gel cleanser, and this is the matte moisturizer for your skin. Love this product so much. Next, I do have this cleanser from Fresh. I used to use this line so much when I lived in England, and it was so good on my skin. It really helped with my breakouts because when we started to wear the mask, I was breaking out a lot around here. And this really helped. This cleanser, the moisturizer, the lip balms, everything was so good. And I'm really going back to it. So I'm alternating my cleansers right now between this one, Laroche Posay, and Fenty Beauty. Fenty Beauty is just basically, if you have prone to breakouts, that's all you need. In a matter of 3 days, your breakouts are going to disappear. Trust me when I tell you. It's on the website, so check it out. And again, yes, this is from Fresh, and this is the Soy Face Cleanser, and I recommend this for you guys as well. And of course, I had gone into Sephora. I did go in to get those gift cards. I certainly did. And they gave me my birthday gift because yes, July is my birthday month, and I am not the type of person to make a big hoopla about my birthday. But we are going to be celebrating my birthday in a big way in August, okay? So just stay tuned for the giveaway. It's coming. And these are really good clean products from this brand called, I think it's Isla. This is the mascara, and this is like a multi-use stick. You can use this on your lips, on your cheeks. You can just use this wherever you want. And it's just a very small sample size, which is not too bad. And I think, let me look around quickly. That's it for this haul today. Don't forget that the giveaway is coming up. 10 of you will be receiving 10 Sephora gift cards. I'm not going to tell you how much are on each card, but it's going to be coming up. I just want to see you engagement with me on sassyover55.com. If you want to get body shapers, like really good ones from Walmart, you get a 2-pack for $60.97. And of course, these are beautiful face towels, 97 cents each from Walmart. Okay, this is it for this haul today, and I do hope you guys enjoy. Leave me your comments in the description box. Follow me on social media. Thumbs up this video. Engage with me on sassyover55.com. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to subscribe. Just click around and just leave me a comment. It's going to be great. I'm also going to be giving, I'm also going to be doing a monthly giveaway until December 16th. So just stay tuned for that as well. It's all going to be coming up as I do my videos on a Sunday for you guys, so just stay tuned, okay? And I am going to leave it here for today. I do thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate you tuning in today. Thank you so much. I do appreciate all of you guys, and I shall see you in my next video. Toodles.